Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Today topic is General Organic Chemistry. NEET questions we are going to discuss 2017 and 16 in this video. Question number 1. The most suitable method of separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols. See, this is the orthonitrophenol. This one is para-nitrophenol. See, in the orthonitrophenol, here hydrogen bond is there. This concept we learned in the chemical bonding as well in the GOC. Due to this intramolecular hydrogen bond, within the molecular hydrogen bond is there, that is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. In between two molecules, if hydrogen bond is existing, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bond. So due to intramolecular hydrogen bond, here low boiling point, this one is having higher boiling point. It has higher boiling point. So whenever boiling point variation is there, obviously we can separate by steam distillation. Distillation process में we can separate it easily. Now the doubt, why orthonitrophenol intramolecular hydrogen bond है तो low boiling point? See, one simple example I will tell you. Here this is the surface area, one molecule is here. Okay. If this surface molecule is going to vapor, is trying to going into the vapor, then the another molecule is pulling down. That is in para-nitrophenol case mein. Suppose in case of orthonitrophenol is there, internal hydrogen bond is there, another molecule internal hydrogen bond is there. There is no relation between this first molecule and second molecule. So easily it can going into vapor. So low boiling point is existing here. Okay. So this is the reason here one molecule is pulling down. That's why here boiling point is higher in case of para-nitrophenol. Right. Next question. IUPAC, name of the compound. See here two functional groups are there. One is aldehyde and one is ketone, main functional groups. In that, the first preference according to IUPAC rules, number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbons, hexanol. So almost all are aldehydes only. So first question is wrong. Then second position methyl, third position keto. Keto का बोलते oxo. 2 methyl, 3 oxo. You can see 2 methyl, 2 methyl. This is the 5 methyl तो wrong है. 3 keto, 3 keto. Yeah, this is correct. Then 4-ene. You can see the last one. So D is the correct option. Okay, IUPAC names. Next question number 3. The correct statement regarding electrophile is. Electrophile is a negative charged species. नेगेटिव चार्ज नहीं होता है. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल मतलब होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट. न्यूक्लियोफाइल होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस. सो दिस इज द रॉन्ग. Electrophiles are generally neutral species and can form a bond by accepting a pair of electrons from the nucleophile. See, electrophiles neutral भी रहता है, but you can see, read the other option also. Electrophiles can be either neutral or positively charged. So it is true. Neutral भी है, positive भी है. Here it is telling only neutral. So it is also wrong. Then can form bond by accepting a pair of electron from the nucleophile. It's perfect. ठीक है, अभी तक ये आंसर है. Electrophile is negatively charged, तो negatively charged हो. So your final answer is only C. Okay, in the B option, generally neutral है, neutral AlCl3 also electrophile, but उससे बेटर सी ऑप्शन में है न्यूट्रल एंड पॉजिटिवली बोथ. दिस इज द मोर परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which among the given molecule can exhibit tautomerism? Tautomerism, keto enol tautomerism के लिए one example I will give you. Alpha hydrogens are required here. This alpha hydrogen, I can write like this. This alpha hydrogen, CH sigma bond is shifting here. This pi bond is shifting here. So this ketone is forming enol CH3 C. Single bond oxygen, here double bond is there CH2. This hydrogen is shifting to oxygen. 1,3 shift. 1,3 shift. You can see counted 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,3 shift बोलते. So now it is in plus all. Alcohol is there. Alkene. In is there. That's why it is called enol. It is the keto enol tautomerism होता है. ठीक है. Now alpha hydrogen कहाँ है? Alpha hydrogen, see here also alpha hydrogen is there. Here also alpha hydrogen is there. Here also alpha hydrogen is there. लेकिन this bridged carbon, suppose if you take that in the bridged carbon, this is the structure. ठीक है. Here double bond is there. Suppose here double bond is forming. I am taking the first one. Suppose double bond is forming here. What is the hybridization here? sp2. sp2 मतलब क्या है? ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर. ये प्लेनर स्ट्रक्चर कभी भी नहीं बनेगा इधर. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल प्लेनर, क्योंकि दिस इज द अप. ये साइक्लोहेक्सेन प्लेन में है तो ये अप होता है. ठीक है. So it is planar structure is not possible. That's why at bridged carbon there is no double bond, no pi bond forming, no pi bond at bridged carbon. Okay, so it is not possible here, not possible here. This is not possible, but here hydrogen is there. It is possible. Keto enol tautomerism only 3. Are you getting what is the keto enol tautomerism? First of all, then the bridged carbon is not forming pi bond. Is it clear? Next question number 5. Which of the following Question number 5. Which of the following biphenyl is optically active? Biphenyls. See, optically active के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Plane of symmetry should be absent. Plane of symmetry should be absent. Cross means here absent. ठीक है. The second thing is mirror images. Mirror image should be non-superimposable होना चाहिए. non superimposable होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So here first of all these are in the same plane, so not possible. So here plane of symmetry is there, not possible. Here plane of symmetry not there, but these are in the same plane. Okay. So here in the D, these are not in same plane, Why not in same plane? Because due to this bigger group, repulsions are there. So one bromine is up, this iodine is down. Suppose here dotted line is down, this thick line is, generally thick line is towards us, dotted line is away from us. So bromine ये बाहर है, ये iodine अंदर है. This bromine is on the paper up and down. Okay, so all 4 groups are at different position. So it is looks like tetrahedral geometry. So this is optically active. You can see there is no plane of symmetry here. If you cut it, this bromine and iodine, here right side bromine, left side iodine is there. Okay, so there is no plane of symmetry. POS is absent. Okay, even center of symmetry is absent. CO, center of symmetry, COS also absent. Okay, the mirror image is also non-superimposable. Okay, next, last question here. For the following reaction, 1, 2, 3, propyl bromide or 1-bromopropane KOH is forming here alkene. Alkene means what happened here? Minus H, one hydrogen and one bromine left. So that is elimination takes place. Elimination, right? Next here bromine के जगह पे OH आ गया. Okay, substitution reaction. Substitution. Which substitution it is? Nucleophile substitution. क्योंकि OH minus is substituting. Here double bond is there. Bromine is addition. Addition reaction takes place. Which addition reaction? Generally electrophilic addition reaction takes place. क्योंकि here electron density already more, then Br plus will attack first, so electrophilic addition reaction takes place first. Which of the following statement is correct? A is elimination. Yeah, A is elimination. B and C are substitution. B तो ठीक है, C तो नहीं, substitution है, C तो addition है. Wrong. B and C are addition. No. A, B are elimination. A, B are elimination. No. B is the substitution. A is elimination, right? B is the substitution, right? C is the addition. So your answer is D. Okay, just simple, neat questions. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.